Hello everybody, Bill Harrison here with Harden Power Systems. Going to try to do a 90-second intro on a new machine, the Commander 7200. Designed around the Icom 7200, it will handle other rigs. The specs will be up on the website as far as the size of the bay. HDPE construction, a cubby, believe it or not, for a 60-watt solar panel, built-in solar controller, built-in 22 amp hour LiFePO 4 battery that we make right here in Tennessee. Dual speakers, antenna extension, ground plug extension, fuse protection, circuit breaker protection, power meter so you know what you're pulling, dual Andersons, dual USBs, and for a rig this size, with enough storage for a tuner and other accessories up here in the bay, we have full extension ball bearing slide for the rig. It allows it to still be tipped up, easily used, easily run. You can run it like you see it here, or you can run it inside the 40mm ammunition can that it's intended to go into. Once it's in that can, waterproof, crush proof, pretty darn heavy, but a shack in a box. Thanks for your time. Bill Harrison with Harden Power Systems, 7-3.